Alright guys, so I'm just doing a quick recap right now for my trades on AMAT and AMRN. So AMAT, applied material, this was a stock that it was in our gappers watch list. So again, I mean, it was on the gappers watch list, gapping down 4.3%, and Norman Carlos went through that. And I came a little bit late today, but I selected for my watch list. And I put it on my watch list. So the way that I traded was at the open. What did I do at the open? So at the open, it actually opened very strong. So opened very, very strong. So didn't hold through all of these moving averages and VWAP, and then punched through. Came down. I took an opening range break up on that 5-minute opening range break up. So I decided to take a 5-minute opening range break up on that, and I got stopped out. So it did drop below the VWAP, and I got stopped out on that. So where's my pen? Oh, okay, so my pen is here. So I got stopped out on that. So I took a 5-minute opening range break up, but unfortunately dropped below this, close below the VWAP. So I got stopped out. And it just doesn't bother me at all that I got stopped out, because it's very, very dangerous to hold it, because it can easily go down. The stock was also down 4%. So I'm so happy that I got stopped out. As soon as it came back up, I went long. And again, this is a very, very important lesson, that don't stay in there. Maybe it comes back up. Always accept a small loss, and then you come back up. If it comes back up, you can always get back in there, and that's what I did. I went jump back in there long at 64.62, and I'm still in there. Popped up slowly, scaling out. What happened really quick. This happened really, really quick up to 66, so I didn't get a feel on that. But I'm now waiting to get to a feel at 66.70. I think 66.80 that is going there. And I think I'm going to get filled really soon on that. So I actually hold it to the whole morning. And I think it's going to not only crack I get filled here at, where's my order? 65.80. I have order at 65.80, and then I get filled 66. And if there is anything left, let me see if there is anything left. Yeah, probably it's going to test this 66.22 as well. So I'm actually made all of my losses back plus profit, because again, it's always good to get out of the trade when it goes against you. If it comes back, you can always get back in there. Commissions are really, really cheap. So I think there you go. I got filled on that at 65.80, and I think 66 is definitely something. And I have orders all the way up to this thing. So I can actually get in there. So same trade on AMRN was also same trade on AMRN. AMRN was a trade that level 2 really fooled me here at the open. So stock was gapped up, lost the VWAP. I went short. It came down. I didn't really cover, unfortunately. There was a huge huge bid at 1790, and I was really hoping that this one to crack this 1790 and goes down. That's why I didn't cover. So I had from 18 to 17. That was 10 cents. I really should have covered something and then break even, but I didn't. Came back up, and I got stopped at the break even. Came down again. The huge bid was there. I actually recorded that. So I was hoping to crack this time, and it didn't. And came back up and got stopped out. So yeah, so one break even, one loss here on this AMRN. It did go up, and this 1826. I'm telling you, these levels are magic, guys. Where did I get that level? Really, this 1826. Yeah, this is the level from here. So this is the level that I marked here in the pre-market from February 3rd. And as you see, just bounced back very nicely from that 1826 level. And as soon as I saw that it's bouncing back, losing these moving averages, I went short at 1813. Actually that's 1811. So I look at it now. Stop loss above the moving averages. It tested my stop loss, came back up, and I got up to 1790. That big bid was still there. I actually have it recorded, so it was still there. So I covered at 1790, so I recovered my loss, and dropped again more at 1785. I covered more. I'm still short in there. I'm not really hopeful that it just goes even down. I was hoping there is another moving average on 5-minute chart. I was hoping to get to this moving average. I might hold it. I might actually hold. I have 200 shares left. I might actually hold it and see if you can get to this moving average or not. If not, my stop loss is at the break-even point. So these two were really the highlight of my trade. There was a couple of other trades that I did. Tesla was very unfortunate. I called a really nice short on Tesla, really nice. Again, Tesla was gapping up, but really lost the VWAP. I went short at 844, dropped 7 points to 832, 8 points. But I didn't cover, unfortunately, anything. And I did bounce back, and I got stopped at almost at the break even. So I really didn't make any, decent money on that. And that was mostly my fault. I should have really scalped it toward that. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Why did I cover? I don't know. I mean, I don't know. I mean, Bo is asking why didn't you cover? Because again, it's just I'm trying to be a little bit catching bigger moves, and it just takes time. It takes really time for me. I always cover for a partial. I don't know. To be honest with you, I don't know really. Because I didn't have a good sleep last night. I don't know. But I should have. I mean, that's a big drop on Tesla. That's $8 drop. I should have definitely covered something. And after that, I really didn't trade Tesla anymore. So, yeah. So overall, I'm positive. And, I'm happy with my day. Yeah, so let's see if AMAT is going up. I did record this AMRN trade. I did record this big bid drop, so I might actually make a recap on that. So that would be nice if I can actually do a recap, maybe trade replay on that. That would have been really nice if I can do this trade replay. But yeah, that's a really nice drop on that. Anyways, well, thank you very much, everyone. Well, announcement, guys. Today's Tuesday. Tomorrow is the trend trading. So Ed Martin is an amazing trader. Is very he knows what his stuff, and it's funny because he has a brain disorder, which is the processing disorder. So he always had to in his life think differently from other people because he can't do the calculation really fast. So he's a trader. He's a successful trader. But he's trading differently from us. So he's not a scalper. He catches these big moves during the day, and you should definitely come and attend his class. So trend trading, so it's 2 workshops. The first one is tomorrow, and then the next one is next week, because it's really important to have a really enough time for this material. And we have Friday New York City meetup. There's a lot of us would be there. So Mike would be there, our new team member. Brian is coming, Norm is coming, Peter is coming, Carlos and Ryan are living in New York area. So there's going to be a really good meetup. So feel free to come. It's 7 p.m. on Friday. The information would be we put it on YouTube or it's on the forum. And yeah, we're really looking forward to all of you guys if you're coming. And let me go to the off-topic chat. So now I'm actually moving to off-topic chat. Is there anyone? Shahab wants to share something with us. Shahab, he's an engineer in Boeing, but he doesn't have a good. So that's a 2-minute chart. So again, a 2-minute opening range breakup, long, popped up, sold, beautiful, all the way up to here. So that's a very nice trade, Shahab. Very nice. He's in Seattle working for Boeing, and he's also a runner. Ryan PDT, let's see what Ryan PDT, KR, everyone traded really nicely on KR. I actually love that. Great job, guys. So again, the one ticker, 2 traders traded differently. So Shahab went long here, sold here. Ryan PDT, who lives in Vancouver, my buddy, went long on the VWAP on this pullback and then sold all the way up to 30. So amazing trading. If this is not amazing trading, you tell me what is good trading. Matt A, trader many years with us. Applied material. So yeah, it's AMAT, same trade as me. Probably long, probably one. Oh, wait a minute. Let me zoom out a little bit. On a 2-minute chart might be interesting. Yeah, so 2-minute opening range breakup. So you went long. Oh no, that's too big. So you went long here at 64.25. Sold. It's the added break even. Drop, came back up, long again, added more, all the way up, the beautiful profit. And again, you went long, added more, out more here. You went long again, out and more here. You just traded the heck out of AMAT. This is called trading the heck out of a stock. It's just unbelievable how you traded that. Matt, he's over 1 year trading with us. For those of you who think day trading is a scam, look at this guy. He's been trading. We have so many traders more than 2-3 years trading us. One, this 2-star means that he's in 3rd year trading with us. So let's see what he's doing. Yeah, KR long. What is this one? This is a 1 minute chart. Yeah, so long again. Pop, sold, came back up. You went long again and sold. So beautiful trading. Q Trader. What is Q Trader doing? That is there is no entry and exit. Oh, so you went long at 112 and you didn't do anything after that. Yeah, I don't know. Alex, what did you do? AMD breakup high of the day. Someone called it in the chat. Long, sold, and then you went back up long, and this moving averages sold. Yeah, someone called in the chat. Unfortunately, I didn't catch that trade. Very nice. Very nice. Really nice, guys. On off topic chat, really nice. Oh, Q Trader, beautiful. Is there anything else, guys? No. All right, so that's it, guys. Yeah, pretty good day, really. For a lot of Peter traded really nicely on Ben. I didn't catch that trade on Ben, but Peter took a really nice short on Ben. Amazing. Just broke through all of these levels and nothing is really left. AMAT might be out of round of this team, but I think 66. It might test 66 one more time. So I want to hold it for the rest of the day. AMRN, again, my positions on AMRN, I still hold it. It might, in case if it cracks it and comes back down. I'm just holding it. Schwan, let's see what Schwan did. SPCE, what did you do? Okay, so yeah, so that's oh yeah, that's SPCE did hit the scanner. So that there was a really bound range, really cracked that a lot of traders, including Thor also took that trade. So long here to 32 at 33 and all the way up to 32 or 50. Beautiful. Yeah, it's an amazing trade. I think Thor took that trade as well. Yeah, I didn't take it, but it was really nice. All right, guys, thank you so much. So I think what I want to do is tomorrow I want to do a trade replay on and AMAT. I want to do an AMAT and AMRN. I want to do a trade replay on that, so go through the thought process and see what we can learn from that. All right, guys, have a good day, and I'll see you all tomorrow morning in the chat. And if you're not a part of our membership, hopefully we'll see you on Friday on the New York City meetup in Midtown, guys. And the information we put it on the description or comments, or you can just check our forum. Have a good day, guys. Talk to you soon.